So sponsor muphila just la. Ini carrots ngesilungu. I'm peeling off the potatoes.
Potato tomato.
Pretty pea ukhona.
Ukamisa right.
Sengizohamba nopalisa mali bafethu yabo. Yazi qeda ukwenzakalani futhi awubatshele kwenzakaleni.
Topeng imali, topeng lo.
50 yo. Hey! Valan kagacha lozoshabe ingqini. Nisho mani ngisabi. Wani ngisabi? Sabi. Sifuna la wethu ngisabi. Sekila. Shaphansi. Yo. Good man. Oh, shit. Kakitile yo uhlozama something ukunakekela. Ke bleed. It's something. Ah! Guys, okay. Let's go to YouTube.
There goes danger.
It's a boy petrificationalism. I'm back again with another bang. Nung sazothola amandla phela yabona. Befama kume yomthola umuntu. Jam zokushaya TV. Never understand the fun. Yes. Yeah, so I'm taking you. It's another day in my life. I'm told. Yeah, I'm the TV. Yes.
That's Namaz Belu camera man.
Everybody want to know what I would do if I didn't win. I guess we'll never know.
Yayithola thatha
Sekashayile uthatha angithi nazi.
Yeah.
Bayatholakala la nga10.
Nga10 shoot baye ngifuna niyibone kahle le location. Yeah, yabona basuka qobe mall lidlula yini uyakuthola. Guys, yabona ngithi support enzinja zami man. Mandlula nesikolweni novinyabuthi atholakala la mabuya.
Ngiyabhaya.
Otherwise mina team Nyamalala Legends.
Timer.
Yeah. Whoa, yes. Babu still check na. Ay, ngiyabona man. Ay, awu, fetis.
Subscribe.
Kuleleni. Sure. Everyone comment ukuthi happy birthday
Yeah.
Na la TikTok yakhe as a present from Guinea nonke fikise ku 1000 sayicela so sinongidrope kahle yabo ngifuna ukuthi kusasa aba ku 1000 ngeke sihluke nangitshela ukuthi angeke abantu bami bahluleke asimproveni konsini follow ndawo TikTok ngicela yo happy birthday issue danko issue so holding meeting in kitchen. Guys, it's currently the next day, Sunday, man. Sunday. This one I wanna like I'm a Sunday in car. I want to wear my specs. Like, if I got to say to check, so ish. Sponsor muphila just la. I'm just peeling off. I'm a continent. Ini carrots ngesilungu. 2. I'm peeling off the potatoes.
Potato tomato.
And pretty pea ukhona. Ispanile dayide kuleya. Ngathi nami no comment ale ukuthi azisu. Bese yakhona. Nabona musi ngiyakwazi ukupheka. Ningangideleli le strategy ngikawonsa ngikwazi ukupheka. Mfana manje ngiyakwazi ukupheka. Fukuni bonisa ukuthi sivula isonto kwapho. So zikrasa kanje nana. So like man mangala ukuthi why inhleke krasa kanje sivula isonto. Kanene. So khawula ingoma zesonto. Oloma mncane wami le. Ya ngiyapheka umncane yakho. Namhlanje like ngizothi umncane.
Yeah, namhlanje kupheka my boy.
Oh. Waza ngapha. Oh. Happy birthday. Happy birthday kasaphi futhi. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Wow, mangishutha ngasekugcoke kahle kanjani?
Shoot Steve.
Oh.
And then salingana nami do I please. Nalangini bathi saluphu le song. Makabakhalisa ingoma enyinyaya. So. Samke. Ashaya volume da teacher. Shaya volume teacher. Ai. Ambam salwane. Oh yes. Ambam salwane. Ambam salwane. Yes. Ambam salwane. Depois eu penso aqui é fácil. Ai, mano, aí que tá aqui exato. Aqui. Mafuna uqeda isipani sakho fast. Ne? Sengqedile. One. Yabona. Mamncane. Sengqedile. Ke o jwang?
Ke jwang?
Ya o jwang like ra kae no?
Nga maleng.
Re lo etsang mo leng?
Re ya Capitec and then we're going to tsamaisa di-order tsa.
Ko kae?
Okay, ha wa batse.
Guys, no siyaphepha ba. So guys, izinto lezi. Da ama-order. Otherwise ispanile la yini. But sobana masibuya hayi. Hawa. Yo guys, isimnyama. No, kwaliso shaya yenza manje kutheka. Ivalile. Sunday ababu kutheka.
Damn.
So wavalile. Hayi, deposit, ka deposit shela at least. Please takatlela mali.
Yes.
Cabanga bengibele ngipressa lento le kanti angazi ukuthi kumele touch screen. Ngibele ngithi enter mina. Ngithi qawutha isebenzi kanti. Kering.
Cutlass.
Yeah. Hey,
Deposit mine.
Yeah, nyamento.
Ntesa shoot yo. Why over to sleep?
Yeah.
How to get charger for sleep?
Ya charger for sleep.
Yeah.
Ya nepata proof. Sengizohamba nopalisa mali bafethu yabona. Yazi qethe kwenzakala. Awubatshele kwenzakaleni.
Stopping imali.
50. Yo, wena ugcine ngidopa ngemali la ukazo. Ugcine kudopa ngemali. Mina fake ngidopa nge50 rand. No, sihamba upalisa kayiboni. Phela akaboni imali. Mina ngiyayibona imali. I can see money from far. Mamelo apha reverse stack. Ya wena. Mamas, mamas. Mamas, hello. 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 Yeah, vele. Shaphe bomb jwalo. Guys, singame nenhloko phela. Akekho uchiyo komhluzi inyama enhloko yakapha. Ya, ngumfaka lo mhluzi futhi man. Uyaphuza umhluzi wena. Sis. Yes, yeah. So to my channel, support no Daniel. Tell them to subscribe, you know. Yes, Danito. Yes, Daniel.
Ngifuna ukuthi ifile Khotmani bancane ingoma ka Gunman
Yeah,
coming soon. Okay, lokho mangathi uyakuphika sika
Kena kuvele besonda sika ke lokho maka nathi uyakuphika sika yebathi dilili yathika
Siga. Hey, Upti. Sibonge Upti. Umama wenzani dlalisa umntwana sibadono samama kini sibadono samama kini wenzani umntwana dlalisa umntwana umama wenzani dlalisa umntwana sibadono. Name suggestions. Kama mali kabande? Yeah. Angeke. Makaseko yakho manje. Yakupha yona ngithola. Okay. Editor video ka Sponono. Khupha manje sawa. Yeah guys, so nala ngizobachela ke ukuthi yini esebenzile. Akhumula ngisho ukuthi kuna something esebenzile. Yazi yini esebenzile? Guys, ngiyabona ukuthi ningiphethe nina. Niyambile namtshela. Na ku comment ngithe ngithi yini. Sinani imani imbona nona. Ngathi ngaya lapha ku Instagram nonke. Gents, if ningiphethe yani no Instagram yakhe. Ni commenteni ku the latest picture. Nithi Petro Msisiwe. Ukuthi nambe niyo commenta Instagram yakhe. Nahamba na comment. Beka abantu sekala. Iberekile guys. Today but then I'm not gonna vlog and inspire yabo. Okay, why no satla for weeks?
Because nekilip is school. Someone to let 1 month to some point with.
Yabona tako zenza ugesi ulibele uhamba ubuya uzobuya kune generate.
Science sicalele phansi video bafethu.
Khohle lokho ithi selithaya ngiyakwazi ukuthi mamela guys ngazi ngiyakwazi ukukhuluma isitsonga. Shona. Hey! Valani kagatsha lezoshaya ingcini. Nisho mani ngisabi. Wani ngisabi? Sabi. Bathi bangisabi. Bangibaleka sabi kuti. Sifuna lo tsaka ngisabi. Sekila. Sabi. Sabi kuti. Ngithi mina ngisabi. Kuwatha ngisabi. Lindo. What's kuti?
Osabu Petro. Plexe.
Shapanti.
Yo. Khotman.
Ngisho isitrata ngencindi. Shaya ka ngencindi kamampela. Ora ngishaya ngencindi kamampela isitrata. Yabo kudlala.
That's now Western Nature. Ngaze
subscribe mama. Sifuna ukubona iflu umuntu engimthatha ukuthi abonkosikazi. Uzonginakekela abongilimela. Sifuna ukubona sa. Ngishapile strata kancindi.
Why?
Neke ngishaya into kanti uhlothusa bengithi ngishaye inyawo kanti uzosusa la bese ngishaya strata nga ke tlile yo go tlosana something go nna ke kela ke ka bleed. It's something.
Ah, let's
Mara ke mo le letla. Mara ba ne ke party.
ngiyabona ngikhathi.
It's something palisi umsana.
Thatha vaseline ngeke kodwa uthatha vaseline.
Ke to ka tsasa vaseline so mfetsa ngimatsa manje.
Alimaka wena ka ekthai.
Akulimatsa. Mana mani, it's something palisi.
Ah, ke tla
Methi, clean or something. Yeah?
Hawu, khala ngalimala.
Khale le mala.
Eh. Level shows. Thatha vaseline.
Palisa. Food or something. Don't press ya pain kama mpele ya pain. Ha hul. Ya pe. Ya. Hey guys, umuntu ngilimele nabo.
boy.
Kumele ngesibhedlela noso. I-vlog switch. Mara drip check. Before safari. Ngiyangibona mara. Shoot my lang spende boma. Fresh gang. Ngispende boma. Kodwa ngispende malini? Eh? Hayi ukuthi manje mina ngigeze ukuthi ngiswenke. Never. Qudimela ugeze ukuthi uswenke.
Awu uqinisile intombi yakho bafika kuthanda kumele ugeze before swenke. Mara wena right.
Yeah, akumele Mr. Mans. Watsiba. So guys, watch leli ngithole ngamalini watch. Ngithathela upalisa and ngiyalithatha sekwelami. Ayikho into ozoyenza yona. Lena ngibhayi sibhayi imali le final le. 30,000.
Cap.
Yeah, le bracelet lena 15,000.
Cap.
I-chain yodwa 10,000.
Stop the cap.
Isigqoko lesi segqoka kuzokala nabo. Angithi yagqoka kuzokala ngisithenge nge 400. Yadlala. Ngisithenge nge 200. Siba iski mask. So nani manje sifuna nakwazi usithenga. Gqoka kuzokala ishirt la gqoka kuzokala lela ngitho. Le vest engigqoka kubonisa amandla wami senze TV. Short D for diesel. D for diesel, yes. Nike, mara si Nike, Mike.
We're recording mic.
Yeah, Mike. And then there Jonathan T. Service stance, yeah, one. Stance is not a crime. Yeah, so I'm gonna chill with my girl now. What's that first? What's that class?
Why? Yo.
Dona kama mpela stop simple car.
Jesus bad. Kinguthanda ukudla.
Usashebani usantswaka palisa manje.
Ngithengubuza.
Akasangikasho jwa.
Ngithe bantswetsa ngokubuza.
Mina?
Ake ethulezana.
Khathe. Okay guys, see you later. Yeah, mfana sengesibhedlela no Landman.
Clinic ikhona la.
Hayi mfethu clinic for free. Funa izinto zamahhala mina. Wenza ngathi uyageza ndiyazi ukuthi maqeda kuphela ivili uzothi yayo. Phela geza.
I don't lie. Don't vele.
Like I'm fit to geza on a special occasion. Bu. Bu. Thuhlulekile.
Usaphi
Mobani. Yeah, not mobani. Mobani. Kapile mobani. Ngisasho namanje ayisonke sigeza 365 days. Abanye sijika nabo ku 87. Nopalisa na sijika nayo ku 87.
So izolo Petro awugezanga.
When ngeze iqhuphiso khuluteni
Friday izolo ngeze kuseni.
Yeah, izolo Saturday. Yaba ukuthi namanga Friday. Yeah, ke mfana. Mfoka baba siyazi ukuthi sinokuhlala singagezi napalisa nje ugezile wena today.
Akusiza market usaphi?
Dona like amampela sintwana like kanti ngisakwazi ukuchubeka vlog ne guys kumele ngiyaleni med hospital private hospital for isandla sami bazosikhatha so mina ngizohlala sinjaqaba ngisebenza
Okay, pi.
ngihlala ngafuna isandla
As a about to nightfall, as a footsteps I
Yeah, guys. See you on the
Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Mine.
Okay.
Tona saying Sabane San.
I always supporting you, Siswam, Palis.
Thank you so much.
When we are second in the group D.
Yeah, I'll take grand, Pedro. Ungasap swabisi sitha sonke bathi kanimene jo ngabe le ndaba nabantu kucenge etolo phansi bathi vele uthandaze bathi kanimene jo ngabe nendaba nabantu kucenge etolo phansi thandaza asamba awushaye futhi
Group D cela ubatshele fast ntwana ukuthi why enhle kunama Black American. Fast.
as well as Black American ushaka
Yeah.
bekanento yakhe emtshelayo ukuthi
Bekanani?
bekanento yakhe emtshelayo which means lento bekayifaka
Yeah.
yamtshela ukuthi kuna abelungu bayeza
Yeah.
angithola abelungu babeza ushaka wathumela inkabi zakhe ukuthi bahambe behlangabeza belungu mabafika bathi mamelani sifuna umhlaba thina ushaka wathi okay ngizomnika umhlaba mara nebhamu eniyiphethe sebenza umlungu abatshela ukuthi all right nebhamu sebenza ngokudubula
Yeah. Satifona
gunman I can't change.
Qhubeka.
ushaka bakabatshela ukuthi badubula ushaka wamangala ushaka hamba uthatha inkomo wabeka ehlathini watshela belungu ukuthi idubulani belungu badubula ushaka wabona ukuthi awu inkabe eyi1 ngashaka wabheka umkhonto wabatshela ukuthi ayi nomkhonto wami lo ngeke usebenze umuntu makakude ushaka wabatshela ukuthi okay ngicela nithatheni inkabi zami nihambe niyosifundisa ukukhanda ibhamu bese nizothi manibuya nabo sizoyikhuluma into eniyifunayo sahamba inkabi zashaya azange sisabuye bayenza abantwana this work nama Black American
hayi ngiyabonga for knowledge. Sabonga bagdad. Kuti. So guys, Siswami 18 since we birthday. So how do you feel?
I'm not feeling anything. I'm excited.
So beautiful. Happy birthday.
I'm so emotional at this point.
Why?
I'm growing.
Yeah. Big 20. Big 20. How? Big 20. Okay, big 20. That's why it's 20. I'll give big 20. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, man. Happy birthday. Hey.
So beautiful. You're
Okay, ne? Sure?
Sure.
Big 20.
Sure? I'm not a birthday girl. I'm not a birthday girl. I'm a birthday girl. It's a brat.
I'm not a birthday girl. I'm called the birthday girl, but God.
I'm not the birthday girl. The birthday girl is my best friend. I'm not the birthday girl. I'm the birthday girl's friend. And I'm the
I'm not a birthday girl. I'm not a birthday girl. I'm a birthday girl. It's a brat.
I'm not a birthday girl. I'm called the birthday girl, but God.
I'm not the birthday girl. The birthday girl is my best friend. I'm not the birthday girl. I'm the birthday girl's friend. And I'm the birthday girl.
What's in the Francis? Who's the name? Who's the name? Nice. Okay, so Sunday. Yeah, it's a Sunday. You have to eat meal assembly. Let's go. Njalo. Ish, yo. Got better about that. Yeah, guys. Birthday something. Happy birthday something. Nah. 20. 18. 18. Happy birthday, Sam Kizer. Yes. I am done. Go. Yeah, guys, support. Soka lithanda batshele maybe makukhuluma wena majayivane bazongisupporta.
Please support umntwana yami bafethu. Ukwenza yakhe indlela yazi. Qoqa kuzwakala.
Khulumile majayivane.
Still more to come, bafethu. Oh! Still more to come.
Hey, banna.
Can you only say 2025?
Hey, banna.
Yeah, guys, support. Nada. Instagram, from Instagram, Qoqa clothing. Uzobona amanamba la kubhayi. Text lawo manamba lawo. Bazokuguide service top fast, like everything izenzakala fast on top. So yeah, support. Mina yabona nami yami. And then the chain nami le 10,000. Onenkinga uzosho. Yeah.
It should have been 20. As I came here, okay, guys, so my name is Sima. I am most and also I'm a content creator. And please do follow me on Sima on IG and well, it's SEEMAH. Both platforms, Instagram, TikTok, and also YouTube. By the way, I'm a YouTuber. I keep forgetting. Yes, guys.
So taste the carrot yam. Phela yini ngiyenzele carrot. Hayi. Thing taste the carrot yami engayidla. Yeah, vele. Should manje phela le carrot lebe ngigrate yenza ichakalaka yenza ne salsa. I-salsa coleslaw. Thing good. Yeah. Boom. Yeah, guys. Thank you for coming.
You're welcome.
Oh, Mendoza. Thank you for being a W-Mans. Yeah, so yeah, guys. I'm just gonna spend time with my girl. Yeah. See Pelile vlog. Welcome. Give it.